and good morning. This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller in an unshowered state. I got up and started my shipping, and when I was going through it, I'm like, oh, I think I've got a couple things that I didn't show you, but I haven't showered yet. So we'll just have to deal with me. I'm dirty. So not going to be much of a reselling day. I'm going to try and get a couple of things listed this morning, but I've got a whole day of outside the house. I've already made a local sale for $30 on an Instapot pressure cooker kind of thing. And I wanted to show you these. It took me a little while to figure out which model these were for. These are actually for a West Bend, and they are made for other models as well. You have to be careful. You have to pay attention to the end. How do they, you know, what does the end look like when it inserts into the mixer? I got these basically for free because they were in something else that I bought that they didn't go with. So I listed these yesterday. They sold for $13.49, and they paid shipping. And then I sold the Steeler sheets that I listed a couple of days ago. I don't think I showed those. I'm pretty sure I didn't. And they sold for $20.69 plus shipping. So those are really the only two things. I did not have a great resale day yesterday, but you know, every day's not going to be great. I'm sure that there were people that didn't have sales at all yesterday, so I'll be thankful for my two. Plus the $55 in local sales that I had yesterday was pretty decent. And then I'm expecting another local sale this afternoon for, and I'm back. I still haven't showered. I don't know how it is that my husband always knows when I'm filming. I don't know how it is that I don't put my phone on airplane mode. I got nothing. Anyway, I just got a sale. I got everything else packaged up. And then I just got a sale on these 5 Echo knives. If you look, it's got a really cool pattern. These are called Mary Ellen. And there's a hole in the back. These just sold for $17.99 plus shipping. So I'm going to go ahead, since I'm doing shipping right now, and just go ahead and ship these out and get these on the road. So at least I've had a sale today, which is a good thing. I will take it. So anyway, I will come back and talk to you later. Just an FYI, in this next clip, when I say the word telemarketers, I actually mean scammers, because there's a difference. Telemarketers are just doing a job, but scammers are the ones that I'm talking about in this rant. So I just want to clear that up before people, you know, before I start getting mail. You know what I mean? All right, thanks.
I just want to thank telemarketers for calling me at all hours, making it look like you're calling me from my town when you're not. You're calling me about student loans, which I never went to college. You're calling me about a new car warranty. I drive a piece of crap. You're calling me about how my social security number is going to be suspended if I don't call you right now. I listen to your accent. You don't sound like you're from New Jersey. You sound like you're from New Delhi. Shame on you. Trying to take advantage. I can't even.
Alrighty, it is the end of the day. It was not a heavily eBay day as far as working. I did list 2 new items tonight, and I'm going to take some pictures since my photo box is still up, and the hubs is in the reclining chair watching the news. So I will get some more things listed and you know, get back at it tomorrow. And I'm hoping to do some shopping tomorrow because, again, I am low on items to list because I'm trying to crank them out. I had another $55 local sale today, actually 2, so that totaled $55. So my local sales are still going strong, but I need a few more things to get listed there. I have had 6 sales today. 5 of them have paid, so I'll show you those things in the morning. And I wanted to let you know that 2 of the sales that I made today were a result of the hashtag SARTHS from yesterday's video. So thank you to Melissa and to Matt for those purchases. I appreciate it. And those things will be shipping out tomorrow. So thank you so much for that. Yeah, so hoping to show you a little haul video tomorrow. And of course, my normal daily vlog. And hopefully we'll have some more sales to show you in the morning, besides the 5 that are going. So with that being said, just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.